Hi guys, welcome back to Beijing in Japan. Happy New Year! It's a new year. We have a lot in store. I wish that you guys have the best possible year and that all your dreams come true and that you are healthy and that you are happy and that you are peaceful. I just want to say thank you to all you guys who have been here on this ride. It's still fresh in the journey, but I appreciate you being there. At this point, everybody here who's watching this video, y'all are OGs. So remember that y'all are the OGs. Thank you so much for the support. So this year, I'm gonna really be getting a lot more into my experience here in Japan. Because it is winter right now where I am, sometimes it's a little hard to get up and get out, but I promised myself that this year I'm gonna get up, get out more, do more, have more experiences, and therefore I should have more to share with you guys. I moved here and obviously I have to have some place to live, right? So I decided that I will take you guys on a tour of my apartment here in Japan. So it's very traditionally Japanese. The building was built in 1989, so it's pretty dated. Um, and you'll see that the windows are very typical of like traditional Japanese style with the tatami mats and the sliding doors. So it's very comfortable, I must say, and very nice. I know all you guys are into anime are gonna be like, wow, that's so cool, because this is legit what the rooms look like in anime. On that same note, I have started to watch some anime. I started watching Attack on Titan, and then right now I'm watching The Promised Neverland, and I'm liking that one. I said because I'm here in Japan, I can't like not be into the culture. I decided, well, let me drink the Kool-Aid, let me become a part of it. So if you guys have any animes that you would recommend, go ahead and comment them below and I will take a look and hopefully get around to watching them. I would just say my taste is more, I like drama. I like things that are really capturing. So keep that in mind when you're suggesting for me. But thank you. So far I've been liking everything. The food has been great. I really like sushi, so it's good. And ramen in the winter is like godsend. Like, it's so good. It's so good and it's so warm. Something that I need. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys on the tour of my apartment here in Japan. I called it a matchbox because it was a little joke between me and some other pages that are here, because when I first got here I was like, whoa, okay, this is it. To me it felt kind of like a matchbox. So then I started to call it the Matchbox apartment. So we're gonna sit with that name. So welcome to my Matchbox apartment here in Japan. So here we are. This is called in Japanese a genkan, which is basically the entryway, and you must take off your shoes from outside and put on inside shoes when entering any Japanese apartment or building whatsoever. Here now we have my little toilet. And what I love about this is that the same water that you use to wash your hands is then used to flush the toilet. So we're saving the environment. Oh, not the alcohol. Yeah. And I'm just gonna give you all a sneak peek of my fridge, because yeah, obviously the Kit Kat needed. So now we move over to the kitchen. This is a water filter and dish rack and two burner stove, which I love. Here is a little pantry. Obviously, it's very small, so we have to utilize as much of the space as we can. That's the bathroom sink and washing sink. The washing machine. And so yeah, this is just a little overview. I had to get a mat for the kitchen because the floor is hell of cold. It's ridiculous. And here's a shower, very high ceiling, I love, and a low bathtub, which you know I ain't fitting in, but I stand up to just take a shower. Now this is the first tatami room, and oh, look at my little decorations that the kiddies made me from school. They're so cute. But this one is like my office. This is where I do my work, where I edit videos, where I get ready. Yeah, where I plan for work. Yeah. Oh, my Japanese chart because I am hell-bent on learning some Japanese soon. This is the second tatami room which I sleep in. And yeah, so it's bare right now. But the futon, yes, the Japanese mat that Japanese typically sleep on, I roll out into this room, which you will see a little bit later. And these sliding doors in Japanese are called fusuma. Fusuma. So you learned 2 words today, genkan and fusuma. Oh, you also did learn tatami. The tatami mats are on the floor. Typical Japanese mats. So yes, here I am now rolling out the futon. Honestly, it looks like a mat, but when I tell you that it is comfortable, it is so comfortable. The futon cover is like a huge comforter and it feels so good. So trust me, I would 10 out of 10 recommend. Yeah, it's actually hard for me to get it on mornings, honestly. So right now I'm gonna pretend to go to sleep to end off this video in a very aesthetic way. Thank you once again for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and see you next time.